And phone is a OPPO Reno, and today I will show you how to change the language of the device. So starting off, open up the settings app and go down till you see, where is it, language and region. And from here you have it divided into two sections, region and language. So you can choose language, considering we want to change that, and then find the language that you wish to use. So as you can see, you have a decent list here, and you can choose whatever you want. And what you will do basically is tap on the language that you, for instance, you wish to use. So just gonna tap here and then tap on done, and then change to Greek, for instance, as I have chosen. And as you can see, now it has changed. And if you wish to change it back, you just go back to here and select a different language like English, and again tap on done to confirm it, and here. And as you can see, now it's back to English. So that's basically how you change the language. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.